Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have 2012 Volkswagen Tiguan turbo, right?
Yes.
This car, the customer parked it, and then when he tried to start it, it crank, it doesn't start. It crank, it doesn't start at all. They brought it into the shop. We check and I say, okay, let's see what's going on. We come back here. Also, it's a good information that you want to know where the fuel pump is located, and it also have a fuel control module. So we come here. This is a fuel control module. If you have a problem, where is this located, the module? This one. Where is it?
Underneath the gas tank.
So it's sitting around here.
Inside
So
the
you
gas
have
tank
to,
over
okay,
here.
so you have to drop the gas tank to pull it out, or
just from inside.
From inside
From
and
over
put
here.
and put it
This
out.
first,
Okay.
and after put the module inside.
Put the module inside and take it out.
and the connection.
Yeah, I give you a quick, brief information. They changed the module with new one, even though it needed coding, but it was not working. So right now, hold this for me. If you see these two wire, the gray and blue and orange, they are going directly to the fuel pump. You see, that means this module, after you give power, this is the power. It's coming from fuse number 13 from the under the hood fuse box, and this is a ground as usual. And this is the signal that coming from the engine computer based on the fuel pressure. So if the fuel pressure is high, it can reduce the signal. Go here to reduce the speed of the fuel pump, because the ground and power are coming out from here. If we give power here, the fuel pump, the car start. What happened is that power go here and come back through this all the way back to the fuse. And what we realize is feeding 5, 6, 7 other fuses that feed the fuel engine computer and the car start. So what we did is, the problem is not the module. We changed one new. The fuel pump is good. So we come here on the car under the hood. We look at this place here, and we found that we have more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 fuses are fed by this relay, which is the electronic engine computer relay. The engine computer sent ground to this relay through this wire here. I put it out. I can take it out for you. You see here, this wire here, through this pin, we have power here, and we have ground come from the engine computer, and then it create magnet here, and then it pull down the magnet and connect this wire with this wire. Sorry, I have very cold today. And then the power will pass through all this stuff, including the fuel pump module in the back. As soon as we have that, the car will start. We did that, and the car start. Right now I'm going to show you. I'm going to put this one inside. If he crank the car will not start. Understand? This is ground, right?
Yeah,
it's supposed
I think ground, yeah.
Okay, can you turn the key on? Yeah. You turn it on? Start it? Okay, I don't see no click. Where is the tester light? You took it out?
Yeah, I took it out.
Yeah, now it's good. I hear. Start it now.
Yeah.
You see, the car is start. So what happened is, we found that this ground, the car shut off. This ground is fed by engine computer, and the engine computer does not send the signal to the relay to close and send power to all this relay, including the fuel pump module. So now we have to go to the to the engine control module, the computer, and we have to check the continuity of this wire. If the continuity is good, that means the engine computer is no good, have to be replaced. And now you have to look for your dealership if they have any kind of recalls or warranty or anything. But this is exactly what we have for this Volkswagen Tiguan 2012 with no startability problem. Always check this relay and be sure that there are some fuse here, like fuse 13. What is 13? This 12. Maybe here. This is 18. Like fuse 18 have to have power with the ignition on, and this one here is going directly to the fuel pump module. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Hopefully this one will give you some information about how this car work or could be fixed.